Zanaya Puni, this video is for you. And for any of you from the class of 2023, if you need help creating a graph to import as a JPEG into your project impact spreadsheet, maybe some of you were drawing it by hand, doesn't look so good. I'm going to show you how to do that really easily through an online website that will allow you to create a free JPEG. Okay, so come on over with me to Google. All I'm going to type in is free graph. Okay, and the one I really like that I found was this graph called Create a Graph from NCES. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And over here, you can select the kind of graph you would like to make. I want to do a bar graph. Pay attention to the tabs you have over here to the right. You're going to start with the Design tab and select the options to create your graph. So I want mine to go vertical. I like cylinder in terms of a shape. I'm going to keep my background color as white because I want that to meld into my JPEG. You can change it to whatever color you want. The grid color, the default color is black. I'm going to stick with that. Let's make it 3D for fun. The grid lines I'll keep as 6. The position right for the legend, I'll keep that way. And now I'm going to go to data. So when I click on the data tab, now I'm going to insert how I label my graph. So my graph title, project impact hours. You can go ahead and type that in. My x-axis label will be months. My y-axis label will be the hours that I served. My data set, now however many items I need is dependent upon how many months I served in. I'm going to make it 4. Let's say I served my project impact over a period of 4 months. And so I can put in those months, September, October, November, and December. Now those were pre-selected for me because I've already created graphs, so you might have to type those in. You can just pause the video and do that. I want to change my bar color. Let's go with a nice St. Anthony purple. And then I'm going to put my values in. How many hours did I serve in each of these months? Let's say I did 3 in September, 5 in October, 2 in November, and 9 in December. My minimum value of my graph will be 0. My maximum value will be 10. And so I can skip the rest of this stuff and just click on preview, and I can see what my graph is going to look like. And I like that. Purple on white. I can see how many hours I served. It shows me clearly as the teacher. And so now what I do is I click on print and save, the print and save tab here to the right, and then I click on download. I want to download this as a JPEG. I imagine you can download it as a PNG file as well. But when I download it, it's going to go into my download bar. I click on it, and bam, there it is. Right now it has the title Graph 2. I'm going to change that title. Project Impact 2019-2020 hours. And I'm going to change the location to my desktop. And there it is. It pops up. So now you can insert this into your project impact spreadsheet just like you would any photo. If you have any questions, please email me. I hope that helps. See ya.